existential problem.
For the film, for our film, could you explain what the problem was and how Star Action has helped you? So when we first came to see you, what was the problem you were experiencing here, Little Water? You can translate if it's easier to tell us what he says.
මේ අපේ පාසල නාවකාඩ රෝමාන කතෝලික විද්‍යාලය. ඉතින් වසර කිහිපයක්ම මේ පාසලට වතුරු ප්‍රශ්නයක් තිබුණා. දැන් ඒ ප්‍රශ්නය ඉංග්ලන්ඩ් ගෲප් කියන ආයතනයේ ස්ටායික්ස් ආයතනය අපිට විසඳලා තියෙනවා. දැන් ඒ ප්‍රශ්නේ අපිට විසඳලා තියෙන නිසා අපි ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩක් ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා මේ වෙලාවට.
He's telling that he got a major problem for the school, for the children.
Yes.
Because they couldn't have water ago,
Yes.
in the past. So, from England who came with this action, they helped them to have their water. So they will very thankfully for Star Action that you have done the project, water project for them. Then now they have no more problem with water. So they are very pleased and very kind to you that what you have done from Star Action. He is telling, thank you Star Action.
It's wonderful to hear that it is good enough for you.
Great. Thank you for doing